reaction mechanism of the addition reaction. So it's very important to understand the mechanism to learn the Markovnikov rule better. So friends, in unsymmetrical alkene, this is propene. In unsymmetrical, so number of carbons are 3. So this is first carbon, second carbon, this is third carbon. When we add friends hydrogen halide, any hydrogen halide HCl, HBr or HI can be taken. For example, HBr is added. So friends, in first step, first of all, this HBr will be break down into H plus and Br minus friends. And out of this two, this H plus will take part in the reaction and it will add it to either one or two carbon, means first or second carbon. And friends, there are two options available. For example, this is first CH double bond is to be take break down into single. If hydrogen is added to the second carbon, for example, friends, in that case, here this will be positive. Why this happen? So please look at here. This is CH3. This is CH friends. And here are double bond. Here is CH2. Now look at here carefully. These two bonds are, these two bonds between two carbon atom are the covalent bonds, and the electrons are for this bond are set by both carbon atoms. Friends, when hydrogen is added here, for example, hydrogen is added here, as I have mentioned here, if hydrogen is added here, hydrogen is positively charged H plus. Friends, electronic configuration of H plus is 1s0. It does not have any electron to share with this carbon. In this case, this double bond, out of this double bond, one bond will move towards the second carbon. And that's why, friends, we obtain this CH. This will be single bond. This is hydrogen. Now, this bond, when is reaching here, this hydrogen will not be positive because now it has a bond, and that's why this positive charge will move here. One more reason is that these two electrons are now on this carbon, carbon number 2, and that's why this carbon will be positively charged. Here two electrons were present, one electron was of carbon number 1, one electron was of carbon number 2. Both the electrons are moved now on second carbon, that's why this is the positive charge. This is called primary carbocation. This is called primary carbocation. What is it, friends? Primary means 1 degree. Why 1 degree? Because this carbon having positive charge is attached with only one carbon. This is 1 degree because positive charge is cation, and this cation is on carbon. That's why it is called carbocation. Primary is why? Because positive charged carbon is directly attached with only one carbon, and that's why it is called primary. Now look at here the second option. What happens if instead of second hydrocarbon, hydrogen is joining with the first one? In such case, this is CH3, this is CH friends, right? And this is CH2. Now friends, if the hydrogen is added here, H is hidden here. In that case, this double bonds, one electron, one bond will move here, right, friends? And this will be positively charged. So this is what? This is CH3, CH plus and CH3. Here you can see this middle carbon is positively charged, and this carbon is directly attached to two carbon atoms, and that's why it is called 2 degree, or we can say it is secondary carbocation. Now here is the choice. What is the choice, or what is the uh, experimental matter? Experimental matter is that, friends, that primary carbocation is always less stable than that of the secondary carbocation. Secondary carbocation is more stable, friends. Why it is more stable? The question always arises. So the reason is that, friends, this carbocation is covered by 2CH3. You can see this is C, here is positive charge, hydrogen, C, this is, these are hydrogens. So you can see, friends, this positive charge carbocation is covered by 2CH3 atoms on both sides, left and right, and that's why this is more stable, and that's why this is obtained in more or major product. You can see this is primary. Primary is, you can see, primary is 1 2 3. This is positive, hydrogen, 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 and these are hydrogens. This carbocation here is covered by just here two hydrogen, and here is CH2. So this is less stable because positive charge is at the end. If the positive charge is at the end or in the beginning, in that case it is less stable. So this is the first step over, friends, of mechanism in which, friends, primary and secondary carbocations can be obtained. After that, friends, what happened? The turn is of now to addition of Br. So, friends, when in this product Br minus attack, it will automatically attracted towards the second carbon because it is positively charged, this is negatively charged. So, friends, CH3, CH, CH3, Br, this is 2 bromo propane. This is a major product. Why major? Because this is more stable. More stable compound gives the major product, friends, and this reaction step is faster. Friends, on this carbon, on this positive charge, bromine can attack very less, or that, and that's why it is a very minor product. So minor and major, out of this is obtained. I repeat the Markovnikov rule here. As per Markovnikov rule, hydrogen out of HX will join the carbon having more number of hydrogens, and halogen will add it to the carbon having less number of hydrogens. So you can see here, out of first and second carbon, this carbon having two hydrogens and this carbon having one hydrogens. We are considering the carbons only having double bond. So don't think about this. This is not double bond carbon, because addition reaction is to be take place here only. So out of these two carbons, on one carbon hydrogen is to be added, and on another carbon halogen is to be added. Here bromine is to be added. So automatically this carbon having more hydrogen, so the third hydrogen will join here. You can see 3, and this is CH3, and the bromine will be attracted here. This is 2 bromopropane product we obtain as per Markovnikov